Here's an extremely nice 1970 Pontiac GTO. It is a tribute, and when they did it up, they did it as the Judge. Obviously beautiful color on this. Very sought after car in the day, which you have one that looks just like one, only for a fraction of the cost. And also a very healthy one at that. This has a 455 underneath the hood that has been bored out and built to a 469 cubic inch V8. Also power steering, power brakes under there. That engine build is fresh. It was built in Bowman, North Dakota. S&B engines up there. I did the build on it. I have all the specs, everything of how it was built, all the internals. If you'd like to know that, feel free to give us a call. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. If you'd like to know any of the engine specs, and I'll see if I can't get some of those on our website down in the description too, so you have an idea what was done with that build. That is teamed with an automatic transmission. Bucket seats with obviously the shifter on the floor in here. I got a few notes I'll get into a little bit more on that shifter too. It does have a stall converter in it. It's just very smoothly. Also very reliable, not gonna leave you sitting anywhere. This car is ready to drive. I'd have to double check. I believe it still has the break-in oil in that engine. So it's got another 100 miles or so to go till it could be drained. Regular oil put in it. That's how fresh that engine build is. If you'd like to check out the still pics, underside, engine bay, interior of the car, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. That door is cracked open. It's not the fit and finish of the car, just to show you it does close extremely nice, fits very nice. Take a peek at the interior here. See the bucket seats. Does have a little aftermarket tack in the dash, fit in nicely. Again, 1970 GTO Judge Tribute. Let me slip around here. I'm going to give you a little more specs on that transmission. It is a turbo 400 3-speed automatic transmission, B&M 2800 stall. Again, that shifts very, very well, no issues. Yeah, let's go ahead and we'll fire it up so you can hear the vehicle run. See, it fires right up, idles very nicely. Slip around to the back so you hear the rumble of that. Like I said, it's healthy, nice built motor. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, or check out our website, uniqueclassiccars.com.